up, YouTube? Thanks for coming back to my channel, Jules View. Today I'm going to be product reviewing the Fit Organic Fruit and Vegetable Wash. And as you can see, I have the vegetable wash, 3 tomatoes, and 2 eggplants, because later on today I'm going to be cooking a eggplant parmesan, hopefully. I'm not sure if I even have all the ingredients, but I'm going to be reviewing this product. As you can see, it's organic, and all you have to do is spray to cover the produce, rub it in for about a minute, and then rinse it off. And it removes, it says, as you can see, it says it removes 98% more chemicals and wax than water alone. So Fit Organic rinses away, leaving the taste nature intended. So we're going to see how true that really is today as we use it for our fruits. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get started. So buckle up, check in, and let's do this. Oh, and it's also USDA organic. All right, so I'm getting my station together. I've always wanted to try it, but I never did. I was feeling fancy in the grocery store produce section when I purchased this. When I was purchasing my eggplants, garlic, tomatoes, lime, lemons, and the list just goes on. I was feeling real fancy in there, trying to get this health kick started. You know, I just had a baby. Well, not just. I had a baby about 3 months ago, so I just wanted to go ahead and try to get my personal life back together as far as my body, getting that back right, feeding it what it needs. And as I was picking up my mango, I happened to look down and I saw this. So it wasn't like it was in plain sight. It was literally hiding from me. And I'm going to let you know, this right here is actually feeling real good. I can actually feel the pesticides or whatever it is that they have on these tomatoes. I can actually feel it coming off of the tomato. So I'm not sure in your local grocery store. I'm not sure where exactly it would be located, but I know it'd be located in the produce section. Now, I will say, when I first saw it, I thought it looked like some laundry detergent or some type of laundry spray, even though I know it wasn't because it was in a produce section. But it does put you in the mind of that. And I'm thinking the company did that so that you'll know that this will actually clean your fruit and your vegetables. So I'm just got that 1 tomato clean, and it actually did a really good job. I am very impressed with this, so I'm going to go grab me an apple. All right, so I just got to try this out because we all know that apples are very waxy. So we're going to see how this works on an apple. Well, all right. Okay. You're supposed to do this for about a minute, but probably a half a minute on my end, what I'm doing it for. But I can actually feel the apple becoming clean. I do feel like the wax is coming off as I rub. The more I rub it, the more I feel it coming off. So you definitely will feel your fruits and vegetables becoming clean as you use this product. Wow, I am very impressed. Now I think I'm going to have to take a little pause and eat my apple, cut it up, eat it with my cream cheese that I did. After I rinse this, I believe that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to eat it. All right, got all this wax rinsed off and washed off. I am very impressed with this Fit Organic. Okay. I gotta take a pause for the calls and get me some apple. All right, so I'm just gonna speed things up a bit and continue to clean my vegetables. But I will say that on a scale from 1 to 5, I will give this 5 joules. I really appreciated it. It worked very well. And it's a product that I probably will buy again. At my local Kroger, it was $4.99, but on their website, I saw that it was $5.99 for this bottle. But it's definitely a great purchase. I mean, if you're that type of person where you're like, oh, I don't have time to soak my vegetables for and fruit for 10-15 minutes, or you just want to hurry up and get it out of the way, I think it works fine. I think I'm going to try it on some candy apples and see how that works, because The caramel and the apple candy, it sticks better once the wax is off of the apples. So we'll see how well this works. So either I'll find someone who will try it out. All right, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy your day, YouTube. Peace out. And don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.